guys, what's up? Welcome to English with Riddhi ma'am, and today we are going to be studying a very interesting topic, which is crack your boards in 2021. You have 60 days with you, and I know for a fact कि यार अभी बहुत पैनिक चल रहा होगा. कैसे पढ़ूं, क्या पढ़ूं, मेरे को 90% लाना है. How can I get 90% in just the next 60 days? I'm sure you must be wondering that. So here am I to your rescue. I'm going to prepare you to crack your board examinations 2021 in just 60 days. Before we begin, before we move forward, let me quickly introduce myself. Hey guys, I'm Riddhi ma'am and I am a plus educator on An Academy. I'm a professional anchor. I have my bachelor's in computer science and I have a 3+ years experience in teaching. Apart from that, the major important point over here to highlight is that I myself scored 95.50% in 10th standard back in 2016, which means that I exactly know what you're feeling right now and how can you overcome that fear or that panic. I got 95 in English. In case, let me just clear it out. I got 95 in English and my overall percentage was 95.50 in my 10th standard 2016. So whatever tricks, whatever tips that I'm telling you right now, trust me, they are verified. They're not just by any random educator, but this is via an educator who has been at your place and who exactly knows what it's like to be 60 days before your board examination. So let me tell you my tips and tricks, and let me tell you the tips and tricks that will help you score 90 above and crack your board examinations 2021. So stay till the end. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. First of all, 60 days. आखिरी 60 days. आखिरी 60 दिन बचे तुम्हारे पास. You have to use those 60 days wisely. How are you going to utilize those 60 days wisely? First of all, now this is the time to actually do smart work. अभी तक तुम लोगों ने hard work किया. You all did your hard work till date, but now it is time to actually study smart. First of all, see how much you know about each and every subject. For example, English, how much do you know in English? Maths, how much do you know in maths? Do you know all the chapters, or which chapters do you not know? Make a list of all the chapters that you know and all the chapters that you're not confident about. Second, prepare a goal chart. What is a goal chart? A goal chart is nothing but a sheet of paper on which you've written your goal or your target. My goal was 98%. I remember I kept on the board behind me. I just made a note and I wrote goal is 97%. I can get 97%. I looked at it every day and that is what inspired me internally to score better. When you have a goal chart in front of you, you are not just studying, like you're not just going in a herd of sheep, but you're actually studying smart. You know what is your goal, where are you going to end up in. See how much you know, make a list of all the topics that you need to work hard on, prepare a goal chart and see and bifurcate your marks. So for example, if my goal is 95, my goal is 97%, that means on an average I need 97 in each and every subject, correct? Right? I need 97 in each and every subject, but I can't score 97 in subjects like English, Hindi, right? Their languages, it will be a little difficult. So I will be very practical. I was very practical. What I did was I told myself, okay, I can get 95. Okay, I'll get 95. I will compensate those other 4 marks in other subjects. That means कि मुझे maths and science में 100 on 100 लाना ही है. So make a chart in which you have your goal written or your marks written कि तुम्हें कितने के लिए पढ़ाई करनी है. Always make sure that you are studying for higher. For example, कि तुम अपना अगर परसेंटेज अगर लाइक 92, अगर तुम्हारी कैपेसिटी 92 की है, तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारी कैपेसिटी 92 की है, तो गोल फॉर 95. तुम जब भी ज्यादा के लिए गोल करोगे तब जाके तुम 92 ला सकते हो, 92 और 92.5. सो हैव अ हायर गोल एंड सब्जेक्ट वाइज मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि तुम कितने मार्क्स के लिए पढ़ रहे हो. ऑब्वियसली जो बंदे का गोल 90 है और जो बंदे का गोल 95 है, देयर स्टडी tricks, their study tips and their study work, their study hours will be different. वो लोग का हार्ड वर्क उतना डिफरेंट होगा. सो मेक श्योर यू टेक दिस स्टेप very 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 seriously. And last but not the least, prepare yourself mentally, guys. तुम लोग बहुत, I have seen so many of my students panicking a lot. Don't panic. Prepare yourself. You have to be mentally prepared that okay, the next 60 days are going to be the days in which I'm going to change my life. One more most important hack in the last 60 days, do not learn anything new. कुछ भी नया learn मत करो. Solve your past 10 years board papers. Past 10 years के board papers solve करो. Solve it so well that you're thorough with it. Revise करो. Don't learn new concepts because you're going to get confused. पहले जितना आता है, suppose you know 90% of your entire portion, be very particular, be very confident in that 90%. वो पहले बहुत अच्छे से करो, फिर you go for your other 10%. So make sure that you expose yourself to the past 10 years papers. और अगर तुमने past 10 years के papers already एक बार solve कर दिए हैं, go through the past 10 years papers and then go through the prelim papers of other schools, because prelim papers are comparatively much more difficult than your board papers. So that will help you expose yourself to different types of questions. Time management is everything, my dear children. This is the time कि तुम्हारा each and every minute कीमती है. You have to give time to each and every subject. अगर मुझे पता है कि my weak points at that point of time was, I would say I was very weak in Hindi. And I was also a little weak in social studies. So I used to give more time to that. But agar if you feel that you are weaker in science, so then you give more time to science in one day. But make sure that you are giving time to each and every subject. Don't just stick to one particular subject. Give time to each and every subject. Point number 1, make key notes. Another thing that you will do is, whenever you are studying, make sure that you are making keynotes. Now, what do you mean by keynotes? I had a separate book. I remember मेरे पास ना ऐसी एक book थी जिसमें it was a very small book. Write everything down. Write everything down means कि you write down the important keywords, you write down the things that you got wrong. वो things जो तुम्हें याद रहनी चाहिए later on. Suppose तुमने एक mistake की है maths के sum में, तो तुम वो लिख दो कि this formula was wrong, so that next time you don't repeat it. Make sure that your important formulae, enriched vocabulary, all of that is in that sheet. Because what happens, no, my dear children, board के एक दिन पहले ये ना, I can tell you this, I can vouch for it, because board के एक दिन पहले क्या होता है ना, board के एक दिन पहले you're not going to sit and study the entire book, right? तुम पूरी book पढ़ने नहीं बैठने वाले हो. You're going to go through the important notes. This is what you have to do. Create important notes which you will be going through one day before your examinations. It includes your mistakes, it includes important formula, it includes enriched vocabulary, and it includes all the important dates and important things that you want to keep in mind. Next, revise. मैंने पहले भी बोल दिया है, don't learn something new. Solve more papers, keep solving. Masters के board papers करो, revise करो अपने notes को. Make sure that you're doing this for each and every subject. 2 months. Now, children, this is very important. Remember, these 2 months, ये जो 60 days बाकी है, they are going to be equivalent to the next 2 years. मतलब ये 2 महीने, if you are sacrificing just this 60 days, ये 2 महीने, if you are sacrificing, तुम्हारे life के 2 साल बचने वाले. Can you imagine that? 2 months. सिर्फ 2 months इतना हार्ड वर्क डालो कि तुम्हारे next 2 years जो है वो पूरे एकदम अच्छे से set हो जाए and you get a very good college. So that is what is important. You need to make sure that you sacrifice your 2 months in such a way that you get maximum marks, you get the best marks, so that the next 2 years of your life are set. And trust me, if you can think it, you can achieve it. You need to be mentally prepared, my dear children. You need to know कि okay, I can do it. क्योंकि अगर तुम लोग ऐसे ही सब लगा दोगे ना बोर्ड पे कि I want 95%, तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा. जब तक तुम मेंटली प्रिपेयर नहीं होगे कि यस तुम्हें, you want to be proud of yourself, you want your parents to be proud of you, until and unless you're not sure of that, you can't really achieve it. So make sure that you're mentally prepared. Trust me, ये 60 days इतना हार्ड वर्क करो कि तुम्हारे नेक्स्ट के 2 साल एकदम अच्छे से सेट हो जाए. And guys, this is everything that you need to know. Don't study anything new. Revise, revise, revise. Make notes. Keep a goal chart. Give time to each and every subject. And if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out to me on the Unacademy app. I'm from Unacademy. You can reach out to me on Rudy ma'am. You can use my code VD Live 10 to unlock all my YouTube sessions, to unlock all my sessions. So make sure that you are following each and every tip that I gave you. ये जो टिप्स होती है ना, ये सभी लोग नहीं बता सकते बिकॉज दे डोंट रियली नो कि ये 60 डेज में एग्जैक्टली क्या करना चाहिए, बिकॉज times of change, you know. I have been at your place, as I told you, I have been at your place, so I know कि मैंने क्या सब चीज की थी जो वर्क हुई थी और जो वर्क नहीं हुई थी. Don't learn anything new. Don't be scared of your boards, my dear children. Don't be scared. You can do it. You can achieve it. Solve करो papers. टीचर्स को अपने डाउट्स पूछो. डाउट्स जो पूछ रहे हो, whatever doubts you're asking, make sure तुम उसके रिप्लाई लो. मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट, क्योंकि मिस्टेक्स करोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगी कि अच्छा यहाँ पे मेरी मिस्टेक थी, यहाँ पे मैं रॉन्ग गई थी. And the best thing about it is that on Unacademy, we have this feature called Ask a Doubt. तो अगर तुम जब भी मैथ्स या साइंस के सम कोई सॉल्व कर रहे हो और तुम्हें अचानक से कोई डाउट आ गया हो, what you do is you just quickly message us. Ask a doubt पे तुम quickly message करो and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Because trust me, we over here, we as a platform, we do care about your 10th standard board examinations far more than anyone. So make sure you use this feature wisely. Ask your doubts, get them cleared, and please ace your board examinations in just the 60 days. I'm going to see you in the next class. This is Vriddhi ma'am. Do follow me on all the networking sites. Do follow me on Unacademy and YouTube. My name is Vriddhi Doshi. And with this, we end the session. I'm going to see you next time with more and more tips and tricks so that you can ace your board examination. So until then, sayonara, take care, bye-bye, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Take care.